Are you tired of feeling stressed, anxious, and exhausted? What if I told you that the key to unlocking a more relaxed, energized, and balanced life could be found in just 2 essential oils? In this video, we'll dive deep into the incredible benefits of mixing lemongrass and lavender oils and show you how to create powerful natural remedies that can transform your well-being. 1. Benefits and remedies using lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is a versatile essential oil known for its energizing and stress-reducing properties. Here are some ways to use it. 1. Stress relief. Add 2-3 drops of lemongrass oil to a diffuser and inhale deeply for 10-15 minutes whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious. 1. The refreshing citrus aroma will help clear your mind and melt away tension. 2. Energy boost. Feeling sluggish? 2. Mix 1-2 drops of lemongrass oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and massage it into your temples, wrists, and the back of your neck. 2. The invigorating scent will give you a natural energy boost without the jitters or crash of caffeine. 3. Antibacterial cleaner. Create a natural, germ-fighting household cleaner by combining 10-15 drops of lemongrass oil with 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of white vinegar in a spray bottle. 3. Use it to disinfect surfaces, freshen the air, and keep your home clean and healthy. 2. Benefits and remedies using lavender oil. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing effects, making it a go-to choice for stress relief and better sleep. Try these remedies. 1. Better sleep. Before bedtime, add 4-5 drops of lavender oil to a diffuser in your bedroom and let it run for 30 minutes. 1. The soothing aroma will help you unwind, quiet your mind, and drift off into a peaceful slumber. 2. Headache relief. Mix 2-3 drops of lavender oil with a carrier oil and gently massage it into your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. 2. The calming properties of lavender can help ease tension, headaches, and migraines. 3. Skin soother. Create a soothing skin serum by mixing 2-3 drops of lavender oil with 1 teaspoon of jojoba or almond oil. 3. Apply it to irritated, dry, or inflamed skin to promote healing and reduce redness. 3. Synergistic remedies using lemongrass and lavender oil mix. When combined, lemongrass and lavender oils create a powerful synergy that can elevate your mood and promote overall well-being. Here are some remedies to try. 1. Relaxing bath soak. Add 5 drops each of lemongrass and lavender oils to 1 cup of Epsom salts. 1. Mix well and dissolve the blend in a warm bath. 1. Soak for 20-30 minutes to melt away stress, soothe sore muscles, and promote a restful night's sleep. 2. Mood-boosting aromatherapy. Combine 3 drops each of lemongrass and lavender oils in a diffuser and let it run for 30 minutes. 2. The uplifting and calming aroma will help balance your mood, reduce anxiety, and create a positive, focused atmosphere. 3. Balancing massage oil. Mix 2 drops each of lemongrass and lavender oils with 1 tablespoon of coconut or jojoba oil. 3. Use this blend to give yourself or a loved one a soothing massage, promoting relaxation, easing muscle tension, and encouraging a sense of overall balance and harmony. By incorporating the power of lemongrass and lavender essential oils into your daily life, you can unlock a world of natural remedies that can help you feel more relaxed, energized, and balanced. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, or simply boost your mood, these versatile oils have you covered. Give these remedies a try and experience the transformative benefits for yourself.